We are ready to start digging on the crawl space and baling the dirt back. Got all my trees cut up, got my fire to take off, so it's actually working out pretty nice. I mean, it's not burning real quick because everything's green, but it's also cutting down on the smoke and ash coming off of it, which is kind of nice. So, but we'll just kind of keep an eye on it, kind of keep pushing it up. It's pretty windy today, but at least kind of back there in that wooded area, it's not bad, like smoking everybody out, and the wind's also helping burn it quicker. So the nice part about it is it's still really damp. It doesn't look like it, like where I've disturbed it, but with all the rain we've had, everything's so green. I really don't have to worry about catching the woods on fire, which is a plus. But I kind of went around because it's hard to see that white paint on that green grass. Got everything kind of scratched and staked out. I got 2 flags back there for the back porch because we're going to kind of do the same thing. I'm going to strip the grass off and then just dig a trench footing where those 2 flags are at, and then that piece of ground will stay there. But everything inside these lines is all got to come out. So like I said, I did the same thing with the garage. And now I'm just going to kind of sit here and start bulking all this stuff out down to my grade. It's just going to make it a little bit of a pain when I get back over to theirs. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to reach out past the porch. Right now I can kind of get it right over here, so I'll probably have to kind of pull stuff away. I didn't end up going and getting the dozer or the loader or anything yet because I've got to quit work a little bit earlier today. Tomorrow is my son's freshman orientation down at the University of Arkansas, so we're actually going to go down and stay at my in-laws tonight because they live like 15 minutes from the university. So instead of having to get up at like 6 o'clock in the morning and drive down there to make it on time, I guess we're going to stay down there and then get there first thing in the morning for that. So I didn't want to waste any time today going and picking up another machine. I basically just wanted to get as much of the pile burnt and start bulking this stuff out. So, and then I guess Wednesday I'll get the dozer or something moved over here to kind of start grading that out. Plus, I really wasn't going to do any grading or anything today. I was just going to try to get everything to the backyard because I need to get that stuff burnt before I can level anything up. So yeah, that's kind of my plan for now, but I'm going to kind of sit here and just grab everything I can and keep bailing it back. And I may have to go out there, like I said, and at least just pull it out past the edge of the house where I got room to get around. But I don't know if I'll get the entire crawl space. I don't know. I may get it all dug out today. It may not be slicked up on the bottom, but I may be able to bulk everything out and at least get it closer to the backyard where then I can work on Wednesday of grading and shaping, and hopefully by then my fire will pretty much be burnt down to nothing, so then I can rake it around and probably just kind of bury it in the very backyard or what's left. Or just the ashes, babe. I'm not going to bury like stumps or anything in this guy's backyard. I'm just going to get it burnt down to ashes and kind of smear it out there and then probably cover it up with all this dirt. So yeah, we'll just spend a few hours bulking some dirt out now. So I made great progress today. So I got, I don't know, I'd say maybe over half of the crawl space dug. So it takes a little longer trying to bale everything to the back or whatever, but I still think it'll work versus bringing the Hydrema over here. So, and it's pretty much, I kind of checked the grade on all this side right here and then just kind of eyeballed it, but it's gonna need a little tune up, and then definitely need to bring the dozer tomorrow. Got lots of dirt and there is not much left of the big brush pile and all the trees. So I am happy with how that all burned up. So, and now it's pretty calm. So yeah, it should, I bet the majority of that'll burn up this evening or whatever. So that'll be good. We can get rid of all that. And then when I get the dozer here, I can just kind of push this over there. We may end up taking the yard further than what he was originally thinking, because he said if we had more material, we'd take out some more trees and level as much of it up as we can. So yeah, I am happy with where we got on that. So getting the machine fueled up, and we will just catch you guys in the morning.